In this video, we will talk about chapter 1, that is logic of inquiry in social research. And after analyzing the question paper from 2012 to 2020, I have came across following questions, that is, first is sociology is the positive science of society. Discuss and analyze. Discuss logic of inquiry in social research. What is scientific method? How Comte established sociology as a science of society. Inductive and deductive logic. Differentiate it with example. Observation in social science and its importance. Is social science research scientific? The last 4 questions have been asked more than once, so these can be seen as important questions. A scientific observation is capable of being turned into a higher level generalization or to build a theory. A science of society became possible when it was clear that society is a creation of human, not of God. Guiding principle of science is that we can derive valid knowledge from strict rules of evidence, which are reliable and valid. It is not based upon unproven faith, superstition, or opinion. Sociology is scientific in the same way as natural science is, and even when it do not follow methodology and method of natural science. Auguste Comte, founder of sociology, the term he coined sociology. He follows scientific approach that gave a impetus to sociology to gradually develop into a reflexive science. According to him, like scientists studying of natural world discover nature of laws determining the physical world, we can discover laws which determine people in social world. Methodology and insight of natural science could be used as a model for development of sociology as a Comte gave idea of positives. Science means progressive discovery of laws. We have already talked about positives of Comte in MSO 001. You can always elaborate your answer from elaborating any point. The aim of science was not to explain existence or cause of their being, but was to explain how things related to one another in terms of invariable and universal laws. Positive science included observable phenomena which established law-like relation between phenomena through gathering factual knowledge by observation, experimentation, comparison, and prediction. According to Comte, main task of sociology was to discover the general laws of social development, and he divided the general laws into 2 categories: law of coexistence or society or the social statistic, law of succession or social dynamics. Social static govern relationship between different parts of society, and as such they determine the function and interrelationship between the various parts. Social dynamic govern social change and required exploration of the way the nature and function of social institutions changed over time. Comte made some assumption and observation according to natural science of 19th century about social development. First assumption: society passed through a process of evolution. Stage of development passed from simple to complex, and thus become institutionally differentiated, performing a specific function. The second assumption is incremental differences in societies do not integrate them because of mechanisms that need to involve one or the other form of mutual dependence. Thus, from above 2 assumptions, Comte derived that evolution is both a natural and demonstrable fact, and it is governed by law of development. Sociology develops it by systematic observation, collection of data or fact, and development of theories to explain the fact. Logic of Comte's idea is called inductivism, inductive positives. In 19th century positives. According to this, Comte gave 3 stages of evolution of human society, that is age of religion, age of metaphysics, and age of reason. The art of observation itself became a central methodological issue for social scientists, for those who had objective of study of society. Empirists gave primary to empirical fact as The logical knowledge of rationalist. Tussle for primacy between empiricism and logic is involved in social science by the need of both to come to conclusion regarding social reality. The two ways of understanding social reality are known as inductive and deductive method. One attempts to make sense of what is observed empirically, and one has to rely on logic for interpretation. Logic cannot be applied in vacuum, it needs some kind of solid referendum. In natural science, the object of study have a definite material existence. In social science, only human being and their manifest behavior is the material, but the observation of behavior from the outside field, very little knowledge about the explanation of behavior. Existence of rationally deductive objective reality is linked to Descartes' duality known as Cartesian duality. It is about division between outer objective reality of the phenomena and the inner subjectivity of the observer. Aristotle put forward most elementary form of logical inquiry, namely a major premise, a minor premise, and a conclusion. If first two were correct or based on fact, the conclusion would be correct too. This is known as Aristotle's theory of deduction. Reasoning opposite to inductive reasoning. It did not correspond to scientific inquiry about nature. Inductive method followed new scientific method turned deductive upside down. Let's talk about deductive and inductive method briefly. Deductive take few axioms or so-called true statement. It aim of proving other true statement or theorems. The logic is main operating tool. Whereas in inductive method, it makes many observations about nature. It aims of discovering a few but strong statement about how nature works. What are the laws and theories that are back of how nature appears to us? Inductive is also known as scientific method. The observation of nature is the main operating tool. If the conflict occurs in nature, idea is useless. Aristotelian logic became rival of those following new inductive method of natural sciences. Science is inductive by definition. Observation are only valid evidence of truth. Process of science can be deductive. Now let's see about the observation in social sciences. Observation in natural science depends only on sense of observation, whereas observation in social science needs participation of observed. For example, a complete outsider having no knowledge about cricket, if he watches cricket, he will conclude that it is only about hitting a round object and running for no purpose to catch it. With every act of observation of society, that we need to refer to more generalized concept and also meaning system of the actor. True explanation conceptualize the observation meaning and act a frame of reference to a larger and a more generalized system of concept and relationship to try to get a true meaning, truth or explanation. Inductive data is conceptualized by a logical process or deduction. Social scientists devise ways to make observation more meaningful or as it is to put more scientific. Nature of data is itself sufficient. Whatever we observe is a construct. For example, a person having the knowledge of cricket, if he watch cricket using construct, he understand and know the objective of the purpose. Dan Sperber argued that there is only one way to describe cultural and social phenomena, and that is by interpretation. Social scientists interpret data or basic observation made by anyone. In 18th and 19th century, travelers, missionaries and administrators collected large part of data. In 19th century, Bourdieu was on pure scientific methodology or on nomenclature generalization. Sociology linked to a critical agenda towards social reality. Sociology, science of society, is nomothetic. Classical sociologists attempted to find the laws that make society run. An assumption was that the society too has an objective existence like all natural objects and follows laws or principles. This dissociates society as a divine entity following supernatural dictates. Society, to be an object capable of scientific study, need to fulfill ethical neutrality. Society norms entrenched with religion and cosmology. For example, norms of femininity, masculinity, etc. All aspects of society have a purposive existence that can be explained rationally. Logic of inquiry, according to Comte, is divided into three stages, that is theological, metaphysical and positivism. Positivism leads to inquiry and the inquiry generated science. To know about social fact, ideas, knowledge, we need scientific method. There is a procedure while conducting a research and it can be broadly divided into 8 steps. Identification of problem, background review, construction of hypothesis, collection of data, checking reliability and validity, testing a hypothesis, develop general laws and theories, and presentation of data. Logical understanding of social realities focus on observation of local action and interaction that helps to develop analysis of various social contexts. So here we conclude chapter 1. Please like, share and subscribe and comment for any query. You can also contact us on Telegram or Instagram.